Hey guys, I want to share our Q-Do review with you about this assignment, and we're going to all go over it together. Let me see if I can get it all in the screen. There we go. So for this writing assignment, our Q is that we will learn about writing a descriptive essay. Our Do is we're going to listen to Ms. Torres's video explaining what a descriptive essay is. We're going to write a descriptive essay in your journal about your grandparents. Finally, we're going to take a picture of the essay and upload it. And our review. When you get finished with this assignment, you're going to think in your mind, what did I learn about writing a descriptive essay? And just go over in your mind. You don't have to write anything down. What did I learn about writing a descriptive essay? Now I want you to click on the next slide. There's a video on there that talks about a descriptive essay, explains what it is. Listen to that video and you'll get your writing prompt. And then you can start writing your descriptive essay in your journal. So, good luck.